eaten kern halwa? A very delicious dish. Especially the villager eat it with enthusiasm. Have you ever tasted it or not? Today in this vlog, I will tell you the complete procedure of making this kern halwa. So please stay with me in this video, and if you are new on this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. So let's get started. You can see this kern field, and here from this field husks will be get, and after getting the husks, the next procedure is to peel out the husks, and then grains are separated. All family members sit together to separate the grain from husks. You can see, and you can see that grains are separated in a pot, and this procedure is being taken. The next step will be to grind these grains, and you can see this is the buttermilk in which these ground grains are put to bake them to make kern halwa. You can see the lassi, buttermilk, and now in a juicer machine these grains are ground, mashed, and after that you can see that step by step, and it takes a little bit time to do this. And after this procedure, the next procedure will be of baking the kern halwa, the final procedure to make kern halwa. Now you can see that all ground grains are put into the buttermilk, and now on fireplace it is being baked, and you have to stir it regularly because it is necessary to stir. You can see that kern halwa is being made, and this shape is a baked shape. You can see it has almost prepared, and after this it will be put, and if you eat after cooling it, then it has better taste with milk. You can see mixed with milk. Please subscribe for more videos. This is mixed with milk for eating ready. So this was the vlog. Hope you found this vlog very beautiful and interesting. How you found it, give your feedback below in the comment box, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.